Welcome to Thoughts from a Rock Shop. Live from Jacobs Trading, every rock that you see will teach you that rocks rock. I'm your host Danielle, and we got a jam-packed show for you here tonight. We're here with Leah, the Plants and Project Manager of Jacobs Trading, and she's here to teach us what the hell a Plants and Project Manager actually does. So without further ado, we have the plant expert, the bug whisperer, and overall the bee's knees, Leah. Welcome to the show, Leah. Are you happy to be here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I bet. Well, thanks so much for joining us here today. The fans are thrilled to see you. It's awesome. Okay. So, Plants and Projects Manager. What exactly does that entail?
I don't really know. I deal with any of the plants that come into the store.
Okay.
I take care of them. I water them.
Okay.
I make sure they stay alive.
That's important.
As for projects, I do a lot of the jewelry supplies.
Cool,
We do the butterfly photos.
Nice.
Really anything and everything that gets thrown at me.
So, nothing to do with rocks.
Not really, no. Some rocks, here and there, but not normally.
Well, it's been great having you here today.
Oh, I supposed to just
We're going to start this out with the producers, and we'll be right back after these messages. Sodalite. That's a nice rock. And we're back. Welcome back to the Thoughts at the Rock Shop. So we found out Leah actually works for the rock store, so close enough. So Leah,
Yes.
can you tell me exactly how you fell into this line of work?
Well,
It's very specialized.
The owners are my family.
Oh, okay.
So, kind of got into it when they started doing it. I thought it was really cool. So I thought I would just kind of tag along to the ride.
Yeah.
And then as for plants, I just really like plants. I don't really know how that happened.
Just a thing from
Yeah,
childhood.
just kind of, not even from childhood. Just during my time at the university, I kind of just, they have a greenhouse there and they just give you free plants.
That's
So
nice.
it kind of just happened then. I got like an emotional support plant.
An emotional
Absolutely.
support plan.
Yeah, during before an exam, you just bring a plant with you. Makes you feel a little bit better.
That's
about the exam.
amazing. So you have a
Yeah.
plant sitting there with you while you take.
Yeah, it
That's
was
really
quite
cute.
nice. And then so since that, I've kind of just started really liking plants, and then I started a collection, and now it's just gotten a little crazy. So I have a lot of plants.
No kidding. How emotionally destroying would that be if that plant died during the exam?
Right?
Like, I feel like that would be extra stress, like keeping the emotional support plant alive so you could have emotional support from the plant.
Exactly. Yeah, it was a great time. You would name them.
What was yours name?
Oh, I had a few. There was a few plants.
There was a few emotional support plants.
There was
Okay.
a few. I have my begonia.
Okay.
Um,
Begonia.
Yeah, his name is Twiggy.
Twiggy. Okay.
I got him when he was like this big, and now
Okay.
he's taller than me. So,
Wow.
so Twiggy's
Okay,
done good.
Good emotional support
Good
plant.
emotional.
Okay.
That one's been emotional support for a while.
Nice.
Twiggy does good things. And then there was I don't know, there's a few of them. There's like Leafy and awful names. Not good names.
Leafy and Twiggy. Okay.
Leafy and Twiggy.
Yeah.
It's great.
So you're not in charge of like any of our creative slogans
No.
or anything. Okay. Yeah.
No, I'm not.
It's great.
I just realized how broken my relationship with plants are.
What do you mean?
I would have them as the emotional support, and now every time I am sad, I just buy a new plant, and plant parent life. That's cool.
There you have it. Thoughts from the Rock Shop.
I'm
Therapy. So what exactly did you take in university?
Well, I have a degree in biological science
Oh,
with
wow.
an entomology minor.
Okay.
So that's where I learned all of my bug penning stuff, as well as just life in general. It was great.
Yeah.
5 years of my life.
5 years. Wow.
It was
That's
fun.
awesome.
Yeah, it's a great time.
And you're here.
And I'm here. This is what I do now.
So you studied entomology.
Entomology.
And entomology. Okay, that's fine. You studied that. Do you have a favorite critter?
Kind of. I like the big silk moths.
Oh, okay.
So anything like the polyphemus moth, the Luna moth, that kind of thing.
I'm gonna pretend I know what you're talking about.
Big, pretty moth.
Big, pretty moths. Okay, do they eat clothes?
They do not. They don't have mouth parts. They don't eat
Okay.
anything.
They don't have mouth parts.
They pretty much live for about a week, and during that week, they make more of them.
Well, that's kind
Lots
of
of
depressing. Your existence to procreate.
Pretty much.
Okay.
And when they're caterpillars, they eat all the food when they're babies. But,
Okay. So they have mouth parts when they're babies.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's good. They just evolve out of that.
Yeah, they just remove those when they evolve.
That's great. Nature's awesome.
Nature.
Do you perchance like bumblebees?
I do like bumblebees.
Do
They're
you?
super cute and fuzzy.
Well,
They're stupid
I
little
have
faces.
I have these guys here with me today.
Okay.
And we're going to try playing a little game to see
Okay.
how well you know your bugs.
Okay.
It's going to be great.
Okay. Am I allowed to swear on this? I didn't even ask that in the first place. I am sorry.
I have 2 little bumblebees here.
Okay.
And as you can see, we have a pot just over there.
Okay.
So you need to get the bees back into the hive.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
By staying here
Okay.
and tossing them into the hive.
I'm not gonna be good at this.
It'll be great. It'll be great. So I'm going to give you that bumblebee.
Okay.
I'm going to say, let's see if you can get 3?
Okay. Sure.
Or if,
Sounds
this
good.
or if this takes longer, maybe 1?
It might be one.
Depending on your skills.
I am not good.
It's great.
I do not sport.
So, get the bees into the hive. You got 30 seconds.
Oh gosh.
Oh,
Does that count?
No,
That was close.
no, it doesn't count. Doesn't count. Go, go. You got 30 seconds.
Terrified.
Winter's coming.
That bee's dead. That bee is also dead. I'm gonna die.
Go, 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 go.
Oh,
That was way off. Oh,
Oh, they bounce. This
They
isn't
bounce. They're bouncing bumblebees?
Bouncing
Bounce.
bumblebees.
I don't know. There's a joke in there somewhere.
I'm awful. First 3.
Okay, 1 bee in the hive. Save the queen. Save the queen.
You asked the wrong person to play this game. I was trying to get a back bounce on that one.
Oh, a back bounce.
No.
You're getting.
I'm getting worse.
Go, 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 go.
I'm getting so much worse.
One more.
Underestimated my
One more.
Hold on.
All right. We tried.
Woo!
Save the bees, people. So that's all we have here today at Thoughts from the Rock Shop. I hope you enjoyed our season premiere, as you will. I would just want to thank my guest here, Leah, for coming onto the show. She's part of an exclusive club, I'm sure.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, oh, definitely. It's going to be great. Today's thought: if sand is just little pieces of rock, does that make rocks just big pieces of sand? Have a great night, folks, and that's all for Thoughts at the Rock Shop.